Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I do if we are not recording. So this is recording, so this is what I do. I edit my friend's video, my video, and yeah, so we can upload to this channel. So I'm gonna show you the time lapse of me doing my video lah. So let's start. So I have edited and all. So I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna like eat. Then I'm gonna do my work. So like I was editing a bit of Arisha's video, and I did not watch the last part, So I actually didn't know what she did at the last part, and guess what I saw she did at the last part. Let me just show you. Okay, guys, see. Look what she's gonna do. So she did that, blah blah blah. Yeah, but so I have nothing to record. It's just edit, eat, then whatever. I'm not really gonna do anything after editing or whatever. I'm just gonna play Roblox. If you guys want to see a time lapse of it, wait until 21 January 2021. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Shalalala. Skimmy la.